What's going on YouTube? Tall as fuck here with another video, and today we will be reviewing the brand new product that, I mean, it's not a brand new product, but it's a new product for me, and I had just picked it up, I would say about a week ago. So it is the Bang Disposable Vape that you guys see right here. Yeah. And I got the cool mint flavor, and this is personally my second time picking this up. I had gotten a pomegranate flavor not too long ago, which I rarely smoke, but anyways, I wanted to review the mint variation of it for you guys to see my personal opinions, since as you guys know, based off all of my videos, I am obsessed with mint disposable vapes. I find them a lot more enjoyable than I do with the fruity flavors. And all right, so out of 10, based off of four different sections for ratings for the vape, out of 10 I rated this about a 5.5 to a 6. Wasn't really my favorite mint variation, honestly, and so I basically rated it based off of the pull. So basically the pull that it takes to hit it and get the amount of smoke you do. The next one was flavor, how it tasted, if it had a very watered down flavor versus an actually, a good enjoyable flavor. And then the third rating was based off how long it lasted, so whether it's the battery, how long the battery lasted, or the flavor juice that was inside of it. And then the last rating was based off of the design. So starting off with the pull for the actual vape, so this is the one that I have right here is actually done, but I'm sure I could still get another pull out of it, but let's just try it out for you guys. Okay, so my opinion on the pull is too tight. I felt like I was giving a big pull, like a very big pull for a low amount of smoke. And yeah, I just didn't really enjoy it. I just felt like it was too small and the pull was too tight. Now, flavor-wise, the flavor was okay. It kind of had that mint, kick that you could kind of look for in these mint flavors. Better than most of the crappy mints that I have actually tried in the past. I mean, I've tried a lot of bad ones, but this definitely, I would say, is down there. I wouldn't rate it as my better ones. It's more like, you run out of your favorite mint variation, which this is actually mine, and you don't really have anything around. Ooh, you run into a Bang in your drawer, and okay, I'll smoke it, whatever. So it's definitely proficient or a pass. Like, it can do well for a day that you don't have anything else, but I wouldn't recommend going out of your way to get it if you're looking for something that tastes good. Now, lasting wise, I didn't really pay attention to the specific days, but I would say it lasted around 5 days for me. That's me hitting it consistently, but I did notice that the flavor did go away relatively quickly. So I would say within like the second day of me smoking it, like the flavor was already like at a quarter or half of what it was in the beginning. And it tasted more like iciness, like bland ice, as opposed to actual mint, if that makes any sense. Like, I was kind of getting the strength of the coolingness from it, but I wasn't really getting like that mint flavor that I was looking for. Now, the last rating that we're going to be rating this on is the design of the actual product. Now, as you guys can see, it has, it's a pretty cool design. It's okay in my opinion. I would say other products are a lot better compared to this one, and I don't know, like, if you guys can see how it has like a shiny glossiness to it, it looks like cheap plastic to me. It doesn't look appealing. Like, if you were doing like a glossy black or something, that would probably be cool. Like, look at the Ignite, okay? Now, if you guys look at the actual the top portion of it, of the Ignite, the top part, it has a cool glossy shininess black to it. Same with this one, like the top part. But actually making the blue portion shiny, I don't know, it just looked really cheap and Chinesey to me. Kind of reminded me of like a toy you pick up at the Dollar Tree or something. Wasn't really too fond of that. But yeah, it looked really cheap and tacky to me. So I don't really like the design compared to most other brands. I'd rather go with a puff bar. It looks very simple and unique to me. Just like a bar, you know, it's like, looks cool. But I wasn't too fond of the design on this one. So all in all, like I had mentioned in the beginning, I would probably rate this as a disposable vape a 5 out of 10. 5.5 if I'm being generous. Maybe a 6 if I'm generous, but yeah, it's not something I would go out of my way to purchase again. Now, question of the day regarding this disposable vape, would I buy it again? Probably not. I would not get this again. I would rather spend my money on, you know, another Ignite, put in the extra $2-3 as opposed to getting something like that. I do recall buying a Bang Energy a while back. I actually got it for free, so that's how you know they were, you know, they're not really good. They were giving out free ones through a purchase. I think I was buying like a Puff Plus or something, and they were giving free Bangs because they know no one's buying them. They're not good. And I didn't enjoy the pomegranate one. It burned my throat too much. And yeah, all in all, I have not had a good experience with Bang ever since I first tried them out. And I will definitely recommend, as I mentioned in my last videos, the Ignite variation of this is possibly my favorite disposable vape out there. They're a little bit on the pricier side, but you definitely do get what you pay for, you know. And I mean, especially with Puff Pluses and stuff, you're smoking them, you're spending around the same money as the Ignite, but I feel like you enjoy this the whole smoke session. Like the whole week that I've been smoking this, it tastes the exact same. It's literally, I'm consistently getting good ones, good purchases and stuff, and the mint is amazing, tastes good throughout it. Towards the end, maybe like the last day that it's about to run out, it'll probably have like a lack of flavor or something, but it's still decent, it's passable. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I've tried 3 of these flavors. If you guys want me to do more reviews on the Ignite variation or brand, I will definitely do it. I mean, if you guys want me to do reviews on the Bangs, I can do that too, it's not an issue. I'm definitely gonna start posting a lot more of these reviews, but yeah, since I've currently been laid off, I will be, you know, focusing on my YouTube channel a lot more. I will start posting a lot more of stuff that you guys really do want to see. So I know my vape videos, they do really good, but I don't really post as much, so I'm gonna start being more on top of that, because I know, especially in this day and age, like a lot of people are smoking these. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed my review. I'll definitely start posting a lot more of these in the future, and I just wanted to let you guys know that we are really close to getting monetized. I'm currently at, I think 900 subscribers, somewhere near there, and my watch hours are at 3,600 or 700, so we're basically 90% of the way for both. Yeah, and when we get monetized, we will definitely take some of the money that we do make in our videos, and we will start doing giveaways for vape products and stuff like that. So all you guys got to do is tune in, you know, watch our videos. You know, I will do some fun way of doing the giveaways. So we'll do like, you know, whoever comments on the video, I will put your names in a raffle, or, you know, the first 20 people or something like that. We will, you know, I'll order the vapes for you guys, send them out to you. We'll do stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys, you know, enjoyed this video, and as usual, hope you all enjoy the content. Have an amazing and beautiful day. Stay safe out there. Stay COVID-19. Beautiful day, guys. Later.